Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today in this video I'm going to be going over a couple things on the truck, like this distributor, this ignition module. I'm not going to get this ignition module. I'm going to get me a new distributor, and I heard it adds around 40 horsepower. No, I'm just kidding, but I think if it was $400 it should. So I'm going to be getting this. It has its own little brain inside. What it'll do is you'll just hook up a positive wire and I think an ignition wire and a ground instead of having a coil. So we'll just get rid of the coil and get rid of all that. I don't think me going this route would really do me any good. But yes, that will make it where I can get rid of all that. Make let's say, what is it called? Electronic ignition. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So I'll be changing that over to that. I think that'll give it spark. That's what Weird Beard told me. He thinks it'll give it spark too. So I think that's what we're going to do on that instead of buying an ignition module. So I'm going to move on to this right here. I'm going to pull this back tire off. And let's just go from there. What is it, my mans? What is it? Are you wanting out, man? Oh my goodness. There you go. All that just for that. Well, get out of here. Alrighty then. So some of y'all probably wondering why I'm taking my wheel off and everything like that. I'm just gonna jump right to the time lapse and y'all can sit there and watch me do it. Alright, so that's basically what I really wanted to do with the tires. It's just that right there. I got them all colored in, all the little numbers, letters, everything. I think it looks pretty good. I can't wait to see it on the truck. Let's do a little camera trick. That was a terrible snap. That's not gonna work. I'm not snapping right. And boom, just like that, the tire's on. That amount of time, I actually got all 4 tires done. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Can't really see that bottom one. Let's spin that there. I think it gives the truck a really good look, in my opinion. Drop a comment if you like it. Drop a comment if you don't like it. I like it. I think it looks really good. I think it looks like makes it look more aggressive. Even though it's not. It got this little tiny thing in there. I like these little motors. I don't know why. But if I could figure out why all this crap don't work, then I'd be set. I'd have this truck running. Maybe. Man, I hear coyotes going off right now. Wanted to get done on it while I'm waiting on that distributor. Oh yeah, and another thing is, these are actually the same price. This distributor and this ignition module are exactly the same price, and it's just. Alright, well, if I can bypass and get rid of all this just in case, well, I mean, what if this ignition module goes down or something? Again, it's rare to find that. You'd have to find it on eBay, which is really stupid. So that's a wrap. Look at this guy over here. Interrupting on the set, bro. It's never quiet on set, man. Never quiet on set. Yeah, I'll save this for the next video. I don't really feel like cleaning it out. It's kind of dark outside. But there's a lot of crap in this damn thing. Alright. Okay, so that's going to be a wrap for this video, everyone. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe on this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, y'all.
Yeah, listen. What did you say, bro? Y'all listen to the mans.
Just bombed you, dude. Sorry, man.
It's all good. Let me get out of here.